Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our refrigerators. Now AI is making its way into the world of coding. AI-powered tools are emerging that can generate code, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative text formats. This has led some people to wonder, will AI replace developers altogether? The idea of machines taking over our jobs is a scary one, but it's important to remember that AI is still in its early stages of development. While AI tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, they are not yet capable of replacing human developers. The truth is that AI is not about to put developers out of a job. Instead, it's about giving them superpowers. AI tools can automate tedious tasks, provide helpful suggestions, and even help developers learn new skills. In many ways, AI is changing the way we code for the better. It's making development faster, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone. Take Canva, for example. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that's known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of templates. Now, Canva is expanding its capabilities with Canva Code. This new feature allows users to generate code for websites, apps, and even games. Canva Code is a great example of how AI is making coding more accessible to everyone. With Canva Code, you don't need to be a coding expert to create a basic website or app. You can simply drag and drop elements, and Canva Code will generate the code for you. This is a huge development for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and anyone else who wants to create an online presence without having to learn how to code. It also frees up developers to focus on more complex tasks like designing intricate algorithms or building complex systems. Canva Code is just one example of the many AI tools that are available to developers today. Other popular tools include GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered code completion tool suggests code snippets as you type, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. Imagine having a coding buddy who always knows the right syntax or function. ChatGPT. This powerful language model can be used to generate different creative text formats, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Developers are even using ChatGPT to help them write documentation, generate ideas for new features, and troubleshoot code. Replit Ghostwriter. This AI-powered code editor provides code completions, generates boilerplate code, and even offers suggestions for improving your code. It's like having a virtual coding tutor by your side. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is being used to assist developers. As AI continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative tools and applications emerge in the years to come. The limits of artificial intelligence. While these AI tools are undoubtedly impressive, it's important to remember that they are not a silver bullet. AI still has a long way to go before it can fully replace human developers. One of the biggest limitations of AI is that it struggles to understand the nuances of human language. While AI can generate code that is syntactically correct, it often lacks the semantic understanding needed to create code that is truly effective. In other words, AI can write code that works, but it may not write the best code for the job. Furthermore, AI is not very good at understanding business needs. AI can't design software that meets the specific requirements of a particular business or industry. It also can't account for the many factors that go into designing scalable, reliable, and secure software. A calculator, not a coder. The best way to think about AI in the context of software development is to compare it to a calculator. Just as a calculator helps us perform complex mathematical calculations more quickly and accurately, AI can help us write code more efficiently and effectively. But just as a calculator can't tell us what calculations to perform or how to interpret the results, AI can't tell us what to build or how to solve complex problems. We still need human developers to understand the problem at hand, design a solution, and ensure that the code is well written, efficient, and maintainable. The future of development, a human-AI partnership. So, will AI replace developers? The short answer is no. AI is not about to render human developers obsolete. Instead, AI is poised to become an invaluable tool that will augment and enhance the work of human developers. In the future, we can expect to see a more collaborative approach to software development, where humans and AI work together to build amazing things. This means that developers will need to learn how to work effectively alongside AI, using these powerful tools to their advantage. AI enhancing, not replacing. In conclusion, the rise of AI in code generation is not a threat to developers, but an opportunity. By embracing these advancements, developers can automate repetitive tasks, gain access to powerful new tools, and ultimately become more productive and effective in their work. The future of coding is not about replacing humans, but about empowering them. It's about humans and AI working together to build the future of technology.